Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video. It is going to be my first ever unboxing video. And today we have this package on my front porch. And this is going to go into that. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'm going to be doing an out west trip. And not just to enjoy the scenery, but we're going to be doing some pretty awesome wheeling with canyons around us, and it's just going to be awesome. So my very first unboxing, and you guys are going to see what I see for the very first time. And this is my first time owning a fridge freezer. This is a 47 quart. It is the 45Pro S. So I'm pretty excited to open it, check it out, and let's go through it. Hopefully we don't have damage. There's a hole in the cardboard box, and just gonna go very minorly. It's not gonna be in-depth review. It's not even a review, it's an unboxing. But let's go ahead and get to it and see what's inside. Okay, we're fixing to find out if this cooler is damaged. Guys, so here we go. This is exciting. So far it looks pretty good. Doesn't look like this where the hole was, nothing hit it. So let me go ahead and pull this out. I'll set it on, I guess I'll set it on the floor. Okay guys, here it is. Do a little quick 360 view on the fridge. Everything looks intact. No scratches, no dents. So right off the bat, it looks very rugged, very beefy. I did a lot of research on which fridge I was gonna get, and I think this one was the most budget friendly and overall what I wanted for my fridge to do. So go ahead and get an inside view on this fridge. So just pull this tab in, it lifts up. It's pretty nice. This is a 47 quart cooler, and it seems pretty big, or at least big enough for what I need it for. And what I really like about this fridge is that you can open it from either side. So I thought that was pretty cool. It feels pretty good. Doesn't feel too flimsy. There is a little bit of movement, but I think that's because you can pull this whole lid off. So let me see if I can show you guys. Right here. So what I understand, you can pull this whole lid completely off, which I think is pretty cool. I think it makes it a lot easier to clean in depth. So then you just put it in, that's it. So you got to do is, doesn't rattle or anything, so that's pretty nice to begin with. So yeah, okay, so here I have them opened up. Just a really quick comparison on size. The Yeti is slightly smaller, but not by much. That Yeti is a 45 quart, and this is a 47 quart. And both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. But in regards to my build, this is what I wanted to go with. Especially when you're going out wheeling for 2 weeks, you want something that you don't have to worry about ice or your food getting soggy and wet. And it's just something I've always been wanting for a long time. So as you can see, the 47 quart ICECO VL Pro is very similar in size to the Yeti, but definitely wins the Yeti in depth. And the inside is pretty much the same diameter as a Yeti,
but it's got so much more room to store stuff down at the bottom, and you can have a space here to freeze things. It's really nice. It's very versatile. Like I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, you can open it up either way or take the lid completely off, and it's just something really cool, especially if you're overlanding or camping for a good period of time. So I'm excited. I can't wait to get it inside. We're gonna go ahead and hook it up. I'm pretty sure in that box we're gonna have all the connectors and whatnot to get it going. So let's go ahead and get it inside. Hopefully I got good lighting in there. It's usually dark, but let's go ahead and get it inside and plugged up and see how it does. Okay, sorry about that. GoPro fell. Anyways, we have a user manual here, and we also have an extra drain plug. And this particular model has a drain, so if you do spill something in there, or you know, whatever freezes and melts in there, if you for whatever reason disconnect it, you can drain it, and it just makes cleaning a lot much more easier. So that's pretty nice. They send you an extra drain plug. Here's the series that I have, or the model, VL45Pro S. And yeah, I'll let y'all read that on your own if you guys want to go read it on your own. But here we have all the connectors to hook it up. And let's see. They send you the power cord to hook up to your wall outlet. And you know, there's nothing really much to say other than it's, you know, good quality. And here is the part that most likely everyone's going to use. This is for your car. You can hook it up to your cigarette lighter or 110 volt outlet. This hooks up to the fridge, and I'll show you in a minute, but they have optional locations where you can hook it up in the front and the rear of the fridge depending on your need. They send you this inside the box. They send you some additional corner covers right here, and they also send you an extra handle, which is really nice, and was not expecting that, so that's nice. Pretty much they send you the star bit or Allen key, or the star key. Send you the tools to remove all the bolts, which is nice. So yeah, that's pretty much what comes inside the box. Okay, so I got the fridge running. I'm gonna put some drinks in here, and they're room temperature like I mentioned before. And we're gonna come back and I wanna put a timer on it so I can give you a better perspective on how long it takes for it to get cold. And we'll pop a cold one in a few minutes, hopefully. Alright, so we're gonna slap some good old White Claws in there. White Claw, if you're watching this, your boy needs a sponsorship. Maybe some more followers will be nice. Also, ICECO, I do a lot of off-road, and this will be on my Instagram page. If you guys also want to follow my Instagram page, I'm gonna leave a little word thing around here somewhere. Y'all can follow me. Anyways, putting the good old White Claws in there. Like I said, it's room temperature. We're gonna see how long it takes for these claws to get nice and cold. That is a 12 pack of White Claws, and there's tons of room left in there. So you know what? 12 pack of White Claws is not gonna be enough. Let's go and get reinforcements and put some more brewskis in there. All right, if White Claw wasn't listening to me, what about Twisted Tea? Y'all want to sponsor me? Drink this on a daily almost. My wife loves them. We always have them on the trail. So Twisted Tea, do your boy a favor, sponsor him, and that'll go towards the funds on this ICECO fridge. And yeah, hit me up. Says a guy with only 200 subscribers. But anyways, we're gonna put some Twisted Tea in here, and they're fitting pretty nice.
get an inside view of that. That light is pretty awesome. So far we got a few. Put more in there. I forgot what the count was. They said how many cans you can put in here. I'll leave a little description somewhere on the screen on how many cans ICECO says you can fit in here, but your daily average boy trying to do his first unboxing slash walk around his fridge. It's only got this here. Probably gonna put some water in there too, but as you can see, what was this? How big was this? So that's a 24 pack of drinks, and they have a lot of room in there. So I got all this extra room. It's plenty of space for more drinks, food, whatever you want to carry in there. I took out the basket just because I don't need it. I'm putting just only drinks. Let's go ahead and slap some water in there and close the fridge, and we'll be back and see how long it took for it to get cold. So it's been 20 minutes exactly. When we started, it was at 81 degrees. It is currently 56 inside the fridge, and let's go ahead and get a feel of how it feels inside. It definitely feels cold. Drinks are just now starting to get cold, so 20 minutes, I guess it's not bad. For drinks to be, you know, there's probably like 30 something drinks in there, and they were all room temperature. So in 20 minutes it dropped significantly. It's pretty cool. Can't wait to see how cold they get. I have the temperature set at 30, I think it was 36. Yeah, let's go ahead and bump it down to 30. See what 30 does. So yeah, we'll come back and see how cold they get. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and open her up. Feels cold in here. Let's go ahead and grab the good old lime. Oh yeah, she's cold. Let's go ahead and taste test on the good old ICECO. Perfect weather. I mean, perfect weather. Perfect temperature. So this thing works amazing. Really love it. I can't wait till I slap it in the 4Runner. And yeah. Okay guys, so I really appreciate y'all tuning in. Thank you for clicking the video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stay tuned for the build on the 4th gen, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe. I see you guys really enjoyed the 4th gen content, and y'all are definitely gonna get more of it because we're going out west and we're doing nothing but off-road trails and scenic views, and just having a really great time. And hopefully I can bring you all along with me. And so make sure to hit that like and the subscribe button, and I really appreciate it. I'll do my best to make some pretty good content for y'all. So yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm signing out. We'll see you on the next vid.